Before you make a decision on whether to buy Kaspr, there are a few things you absolutely need to know, especially if you're considering it for lead generation or as part of your sales strategy. Stick around until the end, because we'll be comparing it to competitors like Hunter.io and Snov.io, and I'll give you all the details you need to know to make an informed decision. First things first, Kaspr is a powerful tool for lead generation and email verification, but what sets it apart is its simplicity and affordability. While other tools like Hunter.io are well known for their extensive features, Kaspr focuses on making the process as seamless and straightforward as possible. This makes it a great option for businesses that want a no-nonsense approach without overwhelming features. Next thing to consider is Kaspr's database. Kaspr boasts access to a massive database of business emails and phone numbers. Compared to competitors like Snov.io, Kaspr's database is constantly updated, which means you're less likely to deal with invalid or outdated leads. This is crucial because a bad lead list can really hurt your outreach efforts. With Kaspr, you can rest assured that your leads are high quality and relevant. The third thing you need to know about Kaspr is its email finder functionality. It's not just about getting the right contact information, it's about getting it quickly. Kaspr's email finding tool lets you find emails by domain, and it also integrates directly with LinkedIn to grab professional emails from profiles. This makes it ideal for B2B marketers who need to build lists of decision makers in a matter of minutes. Now, the fourth thing to look at is Kaspr's accuracy. While many email verification tools out there claim 100% accuracy, Kaspr stands out with its high verification rate. Some competitors, like Apollo, provide verification too, but Kaspr's algorithms are particularly good at filtering out fake, invalid, or low-quality emails, which increases the chances that your outreach will hit the mark. Moving on, the fifth thing you should know is Kaspr's integration with CRM tools. If you're already using a CRM like HubSpot, Salesforce, or even something simple like Pipedrive, Kaspr integrates seamlessly. This makes it incredibly easy to sync your lead generation efforts with your CRM, ensuring you can work smarter and faster without the need for complicated imports or exports. This is one area where Kaspr really shines compared to some competitors like Snov.io, which offers integrations but not as fluidly as Kaspr. Next up, you should definitely consider Kaspr's pricing structure. When you compare it to competitors, Kaspr is one of the more affordable options out there, especially considering the quality and speed of the results. If you're a small business or startup trying to build your lead list without breaking the bank, Kaspr is definitely a tool you'll want to check out. The seventh and final thing is Kaspr support. This is often overlooked, but I can't stress enough how important it is to have reliable customer support when you're using a tool like this. Kaspr's support team is highly responsive, and they offer plenty of resources to help you get the most out of the software. Whether you need troubleshooting help or just want to learn more about a specific feature, Kaspr's support stands out in the market compared to the sometimes limited customer support you'll find with other platforms. So, to wrap it up, if you're looking for a simple, affordable, and highly efficient lead generation tool, Kaspr is a great choice. It offers features that make your outreach easier, more accurate, and more integrated with your existing tools. And the best part? You can try Kaspr completely free. Just click the first link in the description to get access to the best trial for the software and some exclusive benefits. If you found this helpful and you want to start using Kaspr today, remember to grab that free trial through the first link in the description.